Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and what I wanted to do is have a conversation with you guys about a direct mail opportunity that I've been with since 2016 that has allowed me to earn a full-time income. And I received a couple of payments from this company. I've been receiving payments every single week since I've started the program. And I haven't been promoting it as much as I was, but I just want people to know that it's still around. It's been here for the last 17 years. And I'm just excited about this opportunity because you're able to bring in a full-time income through this direct mail program. So one of the things I wanted to show you guys is that I received one payment that came in the mail today directly from the company, from a lady that signed up with me at the $450 level. Okay, so here is the payment that I received from American Bill Money. And not only that, I also received a check from American Bill Money directly in the amount of $75. And that came from American Bill Money straight to me today. It was overnighted to me. And I just want people to know that the program is still going strong. I received one of their new packets that came with my payment that I will be going over. And this is going to just basically tell you guys what the program is all about, how to get enrolled, the different levels that they have, and why you should actually join American Bill Money. So please look forward to that. I will have that video out for you sometime this week. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.